Got this foam insert. These tires are very soft. You have to put this insert in here. It seems impossible when you're doing it at first, but it just works out just fine. Just go around there like that, make sure it's all in there, tucked in there properly, and then you get this. Then you put the rim in next. And then you got a wheel assembled. And these have had the centers drilled out where the lug nuts go with this bit here. Just turn it, you can turn it like this. I got these on eBay. They come in this little case like this. Precision bits. They're in, you know, millimeters, fractional millimeters or whatever. It's very small. But I just cleaned all them out, and now we're gonna end. It should just fall right on there. Get it lined up first. There it is. Yeah, it just falls on there. So it's ready for lug nuts now.